We as crossover people why they chose to stay in the Philippines instead of working abroad.
I choose to work in the Philippines kasi I grew up in a family na laging wala yung father ko. Ang dami niyang na-miss na events.
But
And also, another reason, I believe that God is able to bless me even if I'm working here in the Philippines. And He will open doors of opportunity para mas bless ko yung family ko and this nation.
Why I choose to stay here in the Philippines is because niniwala ko na it's not really the place na kung saan ko mag-work, pero it's really who you are and kung paano ka magtrabaho bilang professional. I always remember yung nasabi natin sa akin na medyo Korean na when we work, we really give our 100% sa trabaho natin, to our bosses, and sa mga office mates. I've been working here for 7 years now as an IT professional, and naniniwala ko na this nation will really rise up only if we take our stand bilang mga professionals and become great contributors sa growth and progress ng company natin.
when I was working in the hospital, I received an offer to work abroad, but I chose to stay here in the Philippines because I believe that it's an honor to serve our Filipino people. I know that God is doing an amazing things in the Philippines, and it should start in us. Tayo mismong mga Pilipino ang unang dapat magmahal, mangarap, at maniwala para sa ating bansa.
This is truly seen in the lives of these professionals who choose to stay in the Philippines despite the many opportunities abroad. They have proven that they truly love Pinas. And it all started here in Crossover. Ikaw, anong kwentong crossover mo?